The magic of the little hummingbird. In an enchanted forest where you could find plants and flowers of all colors, there lived a tiny hummingbird who loved spending his days flying quickly and kissing every little flower he found. One beautiful morning, as he was flying, he heard mean laughter. He looked around and saw some carnivorous plants looking at him and saying, "Look at that little bird. He only does the same thing every day." And they continued to mock the little hummingbird. He felt his heart sink. "I am so small," he thought, and said in a low voice, "The only thing I do is drink nectar. I'm not good for anything else." So, the hummingbird returned to the branch of a tree where he lived. His sadness grew so much that he stopped flying for days. After a while, the flowers, which used to wait for his daily visit, began to lose their sparkle. Their petals wilted and fell. The bees, who once danced in the air with a happy buzz, now flew from one side to the other, confused and sad, without finding any nectar. The forest was losing its shine and its joy. With no spirit, feeling his heart squeezed, the little hummingbird decided to leave the forest. He needed to go to a place where no one would mock him. While flying far away from the forest, he saw a beautiful tree and stopped on a branch to rest. He was deep in thought and very sad about everything he had heard from the carnivorous plants. Suddenly, a calm and husky voice broke the silence. "Why are you crying, little hummingbird?" The hummingbird was startled. Right there, a beautiful tree was talking to him. The eyes of that tree were attentive and quiet, as if they guarded all the secrets of the forest. The hummingbird had never talked to a tree before. He was so surprised that he could barely speak. That tree gave a slow and kind smile with an even more comforting voice. "Don't be afraid, little one. I have lived in this forest for a very long time and I have seen many things happen. Stay calm and tell me what makes you so sad. Maybe I can help you." "I'm so small," the hummingbird whispered. "The carnivorous plants are right. I just spend my days flying and drinking nectar. What good is that for the forest?" The tree gently swayed its branches and smiled. "Oh, little one, don't you understand your own magic? The life of our forest doesn't depend only on the big and strong. The life of our forest depends on you too." The hummingbird, still confused, tilted his head. "What you call drinking nectar is, in fact, a dance of life," the tree continued. "As you pass from flower to flower, the magic dust of life sticks to your little wings and your beak. It is this dust that makes each flower open with joy and bear fruit. Without your dance, the flowers don't bloom and the forest loses its colors. You are the guardian of beauty and life." The hummingbird was amazed. He had never thought of that. His heart, which was once heavy, now beat with happiness. Flying faster than ever, he returned to the forest and began to visit the flowers that were already wilted. He flew to one and then to another, with his beak softly touching each petal. Little by little, magic happened. The first flower opened, shining with new colors. The second and third did the same. The forest, which was sad and without color, was once again filled with light, perfume, and joy. The bees returned to buzzing, happy. And the carnivorous plants, who used to mock him, were amazed by the transformation. They realized that the importance of the little hummingbird was much greater than they had thought. From that day on, the little hummingbird was never sad again. He learned that true strength is not in the size of the body or in the muscles, but in the purpose of the heart. He flew happily, knowing that with his magical dance, he was the soul of that enchanted forest. If If you liked it, leave your like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow more little stories.